Welcome back, and in this video we're going to look and carry on from how we finished in the last one, and we're going to add custom domains to our membership community area, and then we're also going to look at how you can add a branded domain so you can add that to your forms, etc. So if you wanted to share a form just on its own, it'll be branded to whatever you want it to be. Alright guys, so we're going to start on the dashboard. I'm going to go down to settings, and we're going to go into business info and then down to branded domain. So it says here, make sure you have a CNAME pointing to brand.ludicrous.cloud. So we're going to copy that. We're going to go in to our DNS records like yesterday. And then we're going to come in, we're going to choose CNAME. Then you're going to think of what you would like this subdomain to be called. So for me, because it's going to be for the branded one, I'm going to put it in as forms. We put in branded.ludicrous.cloud, and then we're going to hit save. And that's going to add that CNAME record. So there we go, it's into here. We've got that one. I'll wait for that to load itself up. So it'll be forms.topsecretdai.com, and then we're going to add the domain. We're going to continue. And it's just going to verify that one. So that one's updated now. So now if you go back into the other side and we go to sites, come to forms, go to our builder. We come to here. It's just one that's already created. Now if you integrate that, we open the form link, and you can see there's a form, top secret, top tips AI. It'll take a while for the subdomain to load up, but then it should go clear. We'll come back and have a look at that one afterwards. We're going to go back, and then the next one we're going to do is we're going to go into our membership area. You can do this in two different places. You can come down into settings on the courses, and you can go to domain setup, or you can go into memberships, and then you can come to communities and settings as well. So this is what we're going to be putting in. So we can remove the custom domain. I'm going to add custom domain. I'm going to call this one community. Community.topsecretdai.com. And then I found sometimes when we're doing the community ones, it can actually be a bit strange when we're putting in the CNAME and it doesn't actually ever show up properly. So in this one, we're going to put in an A record. So we're going to copy this here. I'm going to copy. And then we're going to add another new record. So this one we'll choose an A record. So you can choose your subdomain. We're going to call it community. And then we're going to put in the IP address. And then we're going to save that one. Now, if we go back into here and we update our domain, give it a second. All right, the domain settings on that one are now updated. It just takes a while for it to come through. So now if we go back and we go to our groups, hopefully it should go through. It might still be waiting to load in. So if we hit that one, there we go, going straight in. So you've got your own personalized domain to go into your new community. So it's community.topsecretdai.com. So you can have that set up whichever way you want to. And you can customize all this, different layouts. You can probably about with that a little bit later on. We will do it in a different training. So, okay, we're going to go back. We're going to see if the forms are populated now. We go up to integrate. You can get the copy link from there. There we go. Now that's all loaded in. So now you've got a branded domain for all your forms, surveys and quizzes, etc. now. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. Thank you very much and I'll see you in the next one.